Hi there, I'm Brandon Hobbert. If you're watching this, you're already looking at our site and our initial questionnaire. I know hitting a page like this can feel a little daunting, so I wanted to pop in and kind of tell you what's going on and what's going to happen next. Look, I built Arkansas Legal Now because I got tired of seeing big national companies treat Arkansas like an afterthought. They sell generic one-size-all-fits forms that just don't work here. Arkansas courts have very specific rules, and if your paperwork isn't what the judge is expecting, it gets sent right back to you and you can't get what you need. So in the video below, you're gonna see a few simple questions about your situation, whether you're dealing with a divorce, custody, parents' estate, or setting up a will. Don't worry, you don't need to know the technical legal name for the document. You just tell us in plain English what's going on and we're gonna guide you to the right paperwork. Once we know your path, we'll get your details and we'll build your court-ready papers. We aren't just having you fill in a blank form and wishing you well down the road. You're gonna get follow-up videos with step-by-step documentation on how to do everything, how to file, where to file, what you need to take with you, all that stuff. Now remember, Arkansas Legal Now is a self-help form on a website, not a law firm. I am an attorney, but I'm not your attorney, and I can't give you specific legal advice. If you're in a complicated legal battle, you need to hire a lawyer. But if this is uncontested or something that you can handle yourself, that's great. Go ahead, start answering the questions below, and I'll see you in the next video.